Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Q2. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called CLONEit. Then open it, click Allow and agree. You want to go with sender on an Android and receiver on Realme. Click Allow again and tap Search again. Click on available device, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan, click Allow and scan the code. Accept connection request by clicking OK. Then you want to tap all of those folders and click Start to send all of your files. But it will take a lot of time, so I will just click here to choose details, go with music and send only this song. So I have to tap on it, click Start, click Start and OK. Now tap Finish, and when I go into Further Files and choose Audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!